My ClickBank Platinum Award just came in the mail, so I'm going to unbox this while I tell you 3 very valuable affiliate marketing lessons that I've learned over the years. Every time I get an award like this, I like to reflect and just think about things that have actually changed the way things work for me. So I figured I would share those while I open this because I wrote them down and I think that they could be valuable for anyone out there who's trying to do anything online, specifically affiliate marketing. The first lesson that I've learned is that this is a compounding game. And you might be wondering, what do you mean by that, Lauren? I mean, you're going to post maybe a lot of videos, you're going to send a lot of emails, you're going to create a lot of content that doesn't feel like it's doing anything in the beginning, but it's all stacking. Those pieces that you're putting together, they don't just disappear, they are going to stack. Some of the pieces might not fit and might not be what you need, but if you're consistently, and I mean consistently, like every day consistently, choosing to do something that is going to compound and help your business, it's going to eventually stack up to the point where you can have cool stuff like this. And that stacking and compounding starts to work when eventually you have enough things working at the same time where it feels consistent. Lesson number 2 is traffic changes everything. Once I learned how to consistently get in front of people, things got easier. Because before you do that and you're actually figuring out what it is that's getting in front of people, you're kind of just guessing. After that, you're testing. And that's a completely different place to be operating from. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how to get started, tips, tricks, everything that you need to know, I have a free support group that I'll link below that you can join and get in there and ask anything that you want to. You'll learn from other people as well as myself and other colleagues that are in there to help you along your affiliate marketing journey. This award is really cool, but it's more about what it represents. I think that's cooler to me than anything, and that's that I've stayed in this long enough for it to work, for it to pay off. This is actually the 2nd year in a row that I've received this award, and I am more motivated than ever to continue and grow even more in this next year. And the third and final lesson that I've learned is that it's way simpler than most people make it out to be, but that doesn't mean that it's easy. What actually worked for me was when I started to find things that people were already interested in, that I didn't have to educate them much on. I really just had to help the decision to purchase something. I create content around that, and then I give someone the next step. That's it. But doing that consistently is what pays off. And a little bonus lesson for you, something that I've learned over the years, is that you have to be intentional. Intentional about almost every single element that you produce and that you do. You can't just be throwing stuff at the wall and hoping that it sticks. You have to truly understand, why are you doing this? Where do you want someone to go? What do you want them to know or do after they watch your video or read a piece of your content or find you online? And lastly, I'll leave you with this word of advice. There's going to be some long stretches where it doesn't feel like anything's happening. And if I had stopped during those times, I would not have things like this, and I would not be able to live the life that I do now. So if you're in that phase right now where maybe it feels slow or unclear, that's actually part of it. That's part of the journey. You're building the pieces that eventually make this possible. So there it is, the lessons that I've learned in affiliate marketing over the years and my ClickBank Platinum Award. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have any questions specifically about affiliate marketing, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. That's why I'm here. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.